Oh, cool. Speaking Spanish to these niggas, devilish thought the winner. I ride low key, black on tents, you can't see me. I ride with G's, hella fighters on this shit. Ride to the stop sign, gotta stop, look right. Damn, I just in my thoughts, damn, I seen Big Chunk. What the fuck is going down? My dog crack up live now. Being around too many corners, here, there, follow homie. What the fuck, I'm on this shit, they hard throbbing with the monkey. You wouldn't even know me though, gotta get this fucking money. Chips, ends up, gotta support my hood, it's the Crumbie. That shit next to me got me thought in ecstasy. You don't even know how I soak up on my own this. Yeah, this my hit. Low key, 6'4", black. I ain't tripping, seen them getting that. Help the jump a jack like the bean. Let me get it, it's the need. I ain't even tripping, I ain't slipping with this heavy heat. Chrome fucking face, hair metal hit plate. I'm going to the corner, yeah, I'm back up in my weight. I ain't even really skate, yeah, back up in the hood. Lean both 6'4", time to boulder up the good. Yeah, this shit's cool, and I ain't even tripping back with the cactus as I roll in the woody. Shit, I'm stupid, pity. Why I'm going on this monkey, now she want pity. I don't even zone that shit, I made come up quitty. Now I ain't worried about these bitches, I'm on this movie tip. Backslide to Coco's, make a movie there. And that dumb money shit, this shit is the new appear. Why when is laid back, Fuji aware. You don't even know me, nigga, but stay very aware. Or you lose your fucking hair. Don't fuck with your nigga, I'm too rare. Shit, rare breed, like Jeezy say, nigga, conquer D. This shit come blade.